So today's interview question is how to run Selenium test in parallel without using TestNG xml file. So here in this TestNG xml file, we are not going to use the parallel attribute that we usually use for running test in the parallel. So we can use Surefire plugin in the Maven to run our test in parallel. So I have added this Surefire plugin in the pom.xml file, and this configuration you can use for parallel execution. So first thing is parallel attribute. So you can use classes, methods and suits values for this parallel attribute. So I have 4 methods in my 2 TestNG classes. So I have set it methods. Then thread counts, how many threads should be run concurrently. So I have set 4 threads. So you can set the number of threads here. Then use unlimited threads, that I have set it to true. Then fork count, that means how many JVM process you want to fork. And reuse forks, that is true or false. So by default it will take true. That means when JVM process are running concurrently, if one of the JVM process is completed, then we can reuse that JVM process. No need to create a new JVM process. So I have total 4 tests. 2 will run on Chrome and 2 will run on Firefox. So let's try to run this with the Maven test. So it should give the thread ID as well in the console. So 2 Chromes are running and Firefox as well. So in the console I have printed the thread ID as well. So first test run on thread ID 20, then 21, 22 and 23. So 4 tests got executed on 4 different threads simultaneously. So if I set it to classes, so currently we have 2 TestNG classes, right? So one method from this class and one method from this class will run in parallel. So one Chrome and one Firefox is executing simultaneously. So it has started the first Firefox test on the thread ID equal to 20. So it got completed. Then it has reused that thread for running test 2 from the Firefox. So this is how you can explain in the interview.